Do you dream of that perfect restaurant-quality steak with a beautiful, deep brown crust and a juicy, tender interior? Many think it's a secret only chefs know, but with a few simple techniques, you can master the art of searing steak right in your own kitchen. Get ready to elevate your home cooking. First, let's prepare your steak. Remove it from the fridge about 30 minutes to an hour before cooking to bring it closer to room temperature for more even cooking. Crucially, pat the steak absolutely dry with paper towels on all sides. Any moisture will steam the meat instead of searing it, preventing that gorgeous crust from forming. Finish by seasoning generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper just before it hits the pan. Now for the heat. A heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron or stainless steel, is your best friend here because it retains heat incredibly well. Place your pan over medium-high to high heat and let it preheat for 3 to 5 minutes until it's smoking slightly. Then, add a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, just enough to thinly coat the bottom. The oil should shimmer, indicating it's hot enough to create that coveted crust. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the screaming hot pan. You should hear an immediate, satisfying sizzle. Resist the urge to move it for 2 to 4 minutes per side, allowing a deep golden brown crust to form. For thicker cuts, use tongs to sear the edges for about a minute each, rendering any fat and ensuring an even cook all around. For thicker steaks over 1.5 inches, or if you prefer a more even cook beyond medium rare, transfer your oven-safe pan directly to a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven to finish. For added flavor, in the last minute or two on the stovetop, reduce the heat, add a tablespoon of butter, smashed garlic cloves, and a sprig of rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan and baste the steak repeatedly with the infused butter. This is arguably the most critical step for a juicy steak. Once cooked to your desired doneness, use a meat thermometer to check, pulling at 5 to 10 degrees before your target. Remove the steak from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board, loosely tented with foil, for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the muscle fibers to relax and the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, guaranteeing a tender and flavorful bite every time. Here's a pro tip. Never overcrowd your pan. If you're cooking multiple steaks, work in batches. Overcrowding drops the pan's temperature, leading to steaming instead of searing, and you'll end up with a gray, less flavorful crust. Give each steak enough space to breathe and sear properly. Follow these steps, and you'll be enjoying perfectly seared, restaurant-quality steak at home. Start learning today at Sikho.ai.